Hi.
Here, I was gonna say, put it over there. Oh.
You want to help us?
Yeah.
Help him up.
Come here, buddy. All right. Here we go. Look at Mama. Calling.
Nathan, slide.
Come here. Here you go. 1, 2. Whoop.
Woo! Was that fun?
Was funny. Here you go. 1, 2.
Yay!
Want to try that again? Sure you do, because I didn't get a picture. Here we go.
Woo! Look at that wet butt.
Oh, you're funny. You're funny. Nathan! Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Up, I see it. Can you put the ball in the basket, Nathan?
Put the ball in the basket.
There's the ball. Go get the ball.
Oh.
Put it in the basket.
What?
Put it in. Put it in. No. Nathan.
Oh, no.
Oh, you want to put it down this way.
His rules are more fun.
Oh, he's going to like the soccer. Let's see, there's
Nathan, put it in here. Or down the slide. That's okay too.
Nathan! Gee, I wonder why this is all yellow.
Here, put it in the hoop. Put it in the hoop.
Here goes Nathan. Nope.
Whoa!
That game was more fun.
Nathan! 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 Hey.
You want the camera?